A domestic dispute quickly turns into a major felony investigation after deputies uncover signs of violence, a knife allegation, and an attempted escape from custody.
Sheriff's office.
Hey. He said not to let him in the house. He said not to let you in the house. He said fight.
Huh?
He's in there.
Hey man, sheriff's office, where you at?
He said not to let him in. Be careful.
Hey, you just stay out there, you're alright. 223, give us the channel. Hey, she just came out. He said that he's ready to fight inside. What's his name?
Grant, he said not to let you in the house.
What's his name? Hey, Grant, come to the door. Sheriff's office. Huh? You're not coming out? Okay.
He's coming out.
Are you okay? Did he touch you?
Should I take her over there so when he comes out he's not seeing her or not? Right.
Okay. Alright. Hey, what's going on, dude? Huh?
Ask her.
I'm asking you. Are you okay? Any weapons on you?
You're not from.
Hands on top of your head. You're not under arrest. I'm just checking you. That's all. Bang it down.
All we wanted to talk. Put your hands down. Relax. Talk to us, man. What's going on?
223, clear the channel.
Okay, fair enough. Listen, there's nothing wrong with verbal arguments. You can argue all day long. All right? Did anything physical happen today? Okay, fair enough. Okay. What's the argument about? Fair enough. Hey, I got a wife too. I understand.
Back and forth.
Okay. Fair enough. Hey, we're just trying to figure out what's going on, man. Okay? If everything's cool, we're cool. You got him?
Yeah.
What's going on, sir?
Hold on, on 911. He kicked in the bathroom door too.
Okay.
I ran and he broke all the doors down the bedroom, the bathroom, and front door. And he helped me in there with a butcher knife. And he told me if you get here, before you get here.
Okay. He held a butcher knife to you?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm just asking.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
I put it. He finally hit it. And go out. I put it inside the couch in the
Couch in the living room? Okay. All right. Do you live here?
Yeah, I own the house.
Can I go in the house? Okay.
Okay.
I asked her to leave me alone. I got a block. She keeps trying to leave your own block. She got a little tracker on my phone. I can't even go into my settings. Half my settings are blocked out. And it's not even parental spyware that I can't take off, or else I lose all my. It erases my whole phone. That is
What do you mean? What is that? Do you have an iPhone?
No,
You have an Android?
Android.
Okay, so you have some form of like track my Life 360
I
or
don't
whatever?
know what the it is. It's UV12 is what it comes up on the setting. The point is, I can block her. She unblocked herself. She still call me. She can block me on my phone. And just dump. Or then she's making up lies, sending a screenshot of like she writes it out like it actually happened. And that she's not. And then she's sending screenshots of my people. Like I'm. She won't leave me alone. So here, now I'm here. You can.
Wait a second. I must just. So, alright.
Deputy Parker, what's up?
Tell him I want him cuffed up for officer safety due to all the carnage in the house and the knife where she said he was holding the knife at her.
Okay.
Discreetly.
Gotcha.
I'm doing the proper investigation of figuring out what's going on. But I understand that you're saying everything, that you're kind of rambling all over the place, so I'm just trying to get your story.
15. Or not that, but.
Huh?
You're on my side of the story. Y'all see what happened?
Okay.
I'm calling somebody to get my truck.
Stand up for me real quick.
No. I'm making a phone call to somebody to get my truck.
Stand
It's
up.
going to get a lot worse. I just need 1 minute.
I'll give you that minute. I just need you to
Thank you.
stand up. No, I
No,
will
because
give you that
that's a
minute.
lie. As soon as I stand up, you're going to jump on me.
I'm not going to jump on you.
No, then why do you need me to stand up?
Just comply. This is my last chance.
As soon as I stand up, you're going to rip the phone on me.
I'm not going to rip the phone off of you. Just do it easily. Just stand up. Put your hands. Play it easy. Put your hands behind your back.
So now I can't make the phone
I'm
call.
going to
You're
give you a
gonna
phone
make
call.
phone
Put your hands behind your back.
call.
Yeah, as soon as I get to jail.
Sir, I've asked them to place you in handcuffs for your safety as well as officer safety, okay? Due to all the carnage that's in the house as well as that big old knife where she said it was at. That's, the accusations.
Nice.
I know they're a little messed up.
Okay. It's just for safety purposes, okay? I'm just tell you that now.
I'm going to adjust this back up, okay? Don't move your hand. I want you to be comfortable. Rotate it.
Yeah.
Is that good?
No, it's better the other way when I sit in the car.
Okay. Now have a seat. Nope, not inside. There you go. All right.
Stay tight on him.
Okay. Would it be easier if I just hold your phone, you tell me what numbers to dial and stuff for you?
Thank you, but no.
Okay, I'm not going through anything else, so I'm just trying to help you out, man.
Okay.
Completely busted off the hinges. Okay. Followed by additional carnage there, which was associated with this. Yeah.
That's back. I'll get photos.
Okay. So
Lock the house down. Let me get him in the car.
Jane, I'm going to jail.
You want to get your what?
I need you to come pick up my truck.
You have to speak up a little bit.
The cops are around me.
So you just wait for a minute, please.
All right.
She
I
just
love
wants
you
her
too.
soda.
Come
She
on,
wants her
sorry.
soda.
Yeah,
She wants her soda.
Yeah,
I'll
I'll
go
be
and
on
grab
front here.
her. I'll
She's
score
going to
with
give
that.
you.
You got him?
We're locking the house down.
Look, can I go get her soda or no?
Where's the soda at?
It's all about that.
we're not worried about the episode right a second.
Okay.
Hey, everybody's mind going in the bathroom and looking in the left drawer and finding all her crap paraphernalia for me? That'd be real great.
Okay.
We'll take a look at it.
Yeah, please do.
Let me get off the phone real quick.
No.
Because I gotta ask you some questions.
You guys have the next 15 years to ask me questions. I got 30 seconds to make some phone call.
Listen, I'm gonna help you out if you help me out. I legitimately will give you I will let you talk in the car all you want. You don't know me, I don't know you. You're assuming that I'm somebody else as soon as I walked up here, and I don't appreciate that.
Everything you say you can, it will be used against you. Court of law.
560. Sorry, mailbox is full.
Alright, listen real quick.
I'm listening.
I'm gonna read them to you. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say against you, right, with you now, every time I question. You can have 4 attorney, I'll get under you. Anytime you stop talking, you're having to prison, I'll question you, we stop your request. You understand your rights?
Yes.
Alright. 223 Miranda Road. Alright, come on, stand up. We're gonna do this. I told
Bring
you.
your car right up here to 16B. I want you to bring. Yeah, I want you to bring. Okay, never mind.
Okay. Stay with her? Okay.
Congratulations, Terry. You won.
Are you and Tara married?
No.
Boyfriend, girlfriend?
Yeah.
How long y'all been dating?
Over 4 years.
Over 4 years. Any kids in common?
No.
All right, hold on. Where are you going, man?
Keys to my truck.
Relax.
Keys to my truck.
Okay. I will.
Can you just drop them on the front of my truck? My sister's coming to get it.
Absolutely. Absolutely. No necklaces.
All right.
Yeah.
No.
Just move. Good. Never enough time to eat, man. Never enough time.
I'll stop today.
Yeah. So, turn off administration.
Lady. He shot me 22 up. And lawn chair over there.
Is that today?
No, this is what last year.
Okay.
And he broke my 22 I had for 30 years. It's not like it was worth anything, but it was special to me. He broke it in just tiny little shards.
Okay.
He broke the brand new cabinet vanity I bought for this house. He put at least 12 holes in this house that have been now repaired. He's by the truck and picked me up, slammed me through this door, slammed me and put me in a full rear naked choke here almost. He's thrown a microwave at my head. He threw a 6-inch tile at me. I mean, he's tried to kill me multiple times. But only twice did he come really close. And I thought he was going to kill me today. This time.
Does he just want to take his seatbelt off and open the door? He jumped out and ran. Life!
You got him?
Life!
Yeah.
Life! Sheriff! Do you remember that? I asked you. Life! Hey! You! No, thank you. We're after this. Thank you. What? Hey, life!
We're currently handling.
That's all. Over a lot. Over a lot.
Okay.
We got the fire issue, and we got one on the ground right now.
Double up.
Don't worry about double locking much a second.
Every breath of this going on is a gift.
You hear me? Okay, you're fine. Relax. All right.
I'm gonna keep this mount. Get the cuffs in the back.
I'm leaving the room.
Now listen to me. I got 9 years. Listen to me.
Right on the
Listen to
shoulder.
me. Yeah, hold on. Listen to me. I got 10 years of jujitsu. 1, 2. You up. You're gonna taste concrete. Do you understand me?
Yeah.
I'm not around.
Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So here's what's gonna happen, and here's what you're going to do.
Uh-huh.
And if you do not, I will tase you.
I've been to
Okay? Okay? You're gonna give me your hand. We're gonna put him behind your back.
Yeah, forward. I'm not gonna do anything.
take this right there if you don't mind for an extra set of hands.
Hey, can you take the one cuff off and put his hands behind his back? He knows what's going to happen if he up.
Tell my mom. At least when you talk to my mom, tell her the truth. Whatever. Whatever, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. Take positive control of that wrist, please. Good? Our cuffs loose. Give me this arm.
It's got some lock on it.
Yeah, I got it. Okay. You just shackled at the ankles too. Yep. Anybody you have a hobble?
Yes.
You can grab it. I got him.
Got him.
Yep. Got him. Yep.
Sorry. Take that, please. Hey, Miller, get over here.
Yes, sir.
Get over here. We're going to do a reverse belly, okay? So the chest usually in front. That's going to be center of the back, okay?
Gotcha.
You still doing okay down there?
Yeah.
All right.
Should I go?
Come under here, over here.
Go under.
There you go.
I'm gonna put this over.
That over the top?
Yep.
So you want that loop on the back, right?
Yeah, we want the loop in the center of the back. There you go. There you go. And there you go.
That goes underneath the guy's back.
Yep, it's got to go underneath the arm. That's got to go through. Watch his legs, sir. He has to sit there. There you go. Pull that bottom tight. There you go. There you go. Underneath his arm. Underneath his arm. Yeah. So what happened was same something. Yeah, same something in the back.
Start the bell.
Yeah,
How's it? This one goes over the top of this.
Moving around a lot.
Where's this one
Well,
go?
he went to open the door, and when he did, he had already moved his few cups from back to front, and as soon as he opened the door, he was able to hit the lock and here we are.
So one of the handcuffs goes through that
Yep.
to the
Yeah, you got to release an arm. Take positive control of the left hand.
Why do we have to release an arm?
It's okay, that through here.
Use another set of handcuffs first. That's what I would do. Now it's nylon one.
All right. Now come on all the way through it. You shackle it all the way through it. Yeah, you go. Shot it all the way through. There you go. So that was all good.
Like that.
You use those primarily on women, okay, especially when they're pregnant and things of that nature.
The suspect was convicted and sentenced to 2 years in prison, 3 years of probation, and ordered to pay $700 in restitution after being found guilty of aggravated assault, battery, resisting with violence, false imprisonment, witness tampering, and escaping from custody.